I replaced an entire dev team with AI. No employees. No contractors. Just me and Claude Code. Here's what I built in one weekend. First up, a real-time trading analytics dashboard. Live charts. Portfolio performance graphs. Win rate radials. Strategy breakdowns. All from actual market data. Built in 6 hours. Then, a civic engagement platform. AI-powered content generation, network analysis with force-directed graphs, 3.js visualizations, and a full API layer. 12 tabs. Hundreds of components. The secret? Parallel AI agents. I dispatched 6 at once, each building a different feature. They read the code base, understand the patterns, and ship working code. Autonomously. The numbers don't lie. 105 production processes running on one server. 95 vendor integrations. Over 100,000 data records. All managed by one person. This isn't science fiction. This is Tuesday. Follow Agent Abrams for more. Link in bio.